Sure he's okay. Yeah, make sure he's okay. Yeah, test his back. Turn over to me, Tam. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, test to make sure he's okay. Dr. Ryan. Yeah, test and see if he's okay.
Am I okay, Ryan? Am I okay?
Ryan.
Am I okay? What's this? Ryan, shush. What are you gonna get now?
It's Tanner Wright. Tanner Wright is 11 here. 11 years old. Hi, Tanner.
Do it again, ready? Do it again, leg up. One more time. Do the other leg. Do the other leg.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't know how. It's like being uncoordinated.
Yeah. Okay. One more time. Go, big one. Big one. Yeah. More. Whoa.
Whoa.
Now do it with that leg. Again. Wow.
Wow, Ryan.
Here you go, Ryan. Ready? Throw it again. Put your leg up. Yeah. Do it again. Ready? Oh.
What's your name?
And this is Kara Wright.
And
He's in a swing. He just had his bath.
he hasn't had a nap all day.
Hasn't had a nap all day long. And
He
it's
likes to rock and roll.
this is Ryan.
We're
And
trying
he's
to.
awake. Ryan.
Tomorrow Ryan gets his first shot.
That's right. This is Kara. She's 12 years old, and she's been helping with Ryan, and she's really, really good with Ryan. She really enjoys being with him. That's part of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is Ryan. And Ryan, Kara's going to pull the bottle from him for a sec just to show Ryan. He had a shot today, 7 weeks old. 7 weeks old. Look at, he's still rooting. He's very hungry. Yeah, he wants his bottle. He's a good eater.